Hey everyone, this is Grace here. Welcome to Go for Glee. As we literally leap into the Christmas season, I'm so excited to share my Christmas decoration DIY ideas at home for 2020. The first DIY is a cute stocking string that would look lovely on a Christmas tree or anywhere else for that matter. I'm using this pom-pom string and I went for this retro print polka dot, but you can use plain paper of your choice. So all I did was cut a stencil for the stocking. I will try and leave a link for the materials that I have used in the description box. All I'm doing is tracing it on the paper and then cutting it out. So we get these cute shapes already. You can cut as many as you want. The pom-pom string that I have used is about 3 feet, but depending upon how long you need it, you can cut as many as you need. Just add a little glue and you're done. I think this pom-pom string looks really adorable and striking at the same time. Before we get into the next DIY, I just want to show you this painting which I had done previously. And if you like to read, do check out my blog which has many other Christmas DIYs. I will leave the link of it in the description box. And moving on to DIY number 2. I have used this basket in my previous DIYs too. It's a very versatile one. And this is some 4 leaves that I'm using. You can keep switching the kind of leaves that you have. You can use the ones which you have in the garden. So here I'm just arranging these leaves in the way I want. I wanted it to have a fuller look. I'm using some Christmas ornaments which I had previously. You can use whatever you have at home. So you can either set it up this way, hang it, or use it flat the way I am going to display it. I just added a lantern to this and I think it gives a very cozy vibe. And our last Christmas decoration DIY idea is a Christmas cottage, which is very easy but cute at the same time. This is an old keychain holder actually, which I've kept for so many years because I knew it had potential to turn into something better. And then I'm just going ahead with a shape which will act as the door and 2 small windows. Please involve your kids in this one if possible because they would love to lend a helping hand, and this can be done with a cardboard cutout. It's quite an easy shape to draw. And Christmas is all about making wonderful memories with our loved ones. Then I just tied a red ribbon and assured myself of a small little gift. So I stuck one myself just in case Santa forgot me. And our Christmas cottage is all ready for the season. And the reveal, this is how it looks. I think it looks very Christmassy and merry at the same time. So I wish all of you a very Merry Christmas. May you have a Christmas full of happiness, good health and glee. And don't forget to let me know which Christmas decoration DIY you like the most. Until next time, bye.